Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today there's a video on three different openings in three different companies. So in this we'll be discussing what are the eligible criteria, how to get onto the job, the package available, every details regarding that. So watch this video full and know about the details and register at the earliest. So one thing that I would like to remind you is the link may get expired at any time. Soon after they publish their video, just within 1 hour, if the applications are saturated, they will be withdrawing it. But it may take up to 1 day, it may take up to 1 week, 1 month, or whatever it may be. Depends upon the company. So before that get expired, when soon after you watch this video, make your application. Okay. So I'm starting now. The link to apply for all the jobs will be there in the description box given below. You can get it from there. So first I'm starting with the Samsung. So Samsung is hiring for the Android developer. It's a product-based company. Recruiting to a core jobs is actually a great thing, which is a great start for the freshers. So here they have mentioned regarding the roles and responsibilities and skill qualifications. Let's go for that. So roles and responsibilities is design Android application, implementation of Android application, and securing application quality. So this is what they're looking forward in the position. Okay. Now coming to the skills and qualifications, learns to use professional concepts, applies company policies and procedures to resolve routine issues, works on problem of limited scope, follows standard practices and procedures, normally receives detailed instructions on all work. Typical entry point for university graduates. So they have mentioned regarding the university graduates, typical entry point. So obviously it is applicable for the freshers too. And if you have internship experience, if you have 1 year of experience, or if you're experienced, a fresher, whoever maybe can apply for this job. So it's a great opportunity. So coming to the package details over in Samsung, it is approximately 4.2 LPA plus. Okay, depending upon the experience or depending upon the knowledge that you are having, there will be variations, because a person who 0 years of experience may not be the same with that of 1 year of experience. So it's an entry point for university graduates, so you can try for that. And they're not very specific about the stream or the graduation type. It means that they want you to have these many knowledges to handle the roles and responsibilities, and okay with the position summary, as you can read that. And in need of the skills and qualifications they have mentioned. Only that, if you're from other streams too, still, if you're good at these, then definitely you can try for this. Okay, so this is about the openings in Samsung. So to apply for that, you can go to this apply link where you have to give your personal details. There are three options here to go for that. That is autofill with resume, apply manually, use my last application. So coming to with the auto with resume is autofill with resume is you'll be uploading a resume as an initial stage, and the resume details will be autofill to the application, and you can just review that, and if any changes, then you can make it to that. Okay, so this is about the autofill with resume. Now we can apply manually. So I'm giving this right now. So when you go for apply manually, every details you have to give it manually, and you have to give your resume details that too. Okay, so there are 4 stages for the registration here. My information is the first stage, where you have to give like how did you hear about us, how you ever work for Samsung Electronics, or it's a subsidiary or etc., country, territory, everything. Okay, so this is about the first stage. And next is the my experience stage, where you have to give your experience details, like if you are a fresher, if 0 years of experience, entry level, all that. So you can go for that. And voluntary disclosure is something like you have to give the consent to the company policies. So this is about the application details. And next you have to review your application. So reviewing your application is same important as that reading the requirements of the skill set, because when you make any mistakes while typing your personal details, like some misspelled words in your address or something like that, it will definitely create a great impact on your application. Okay, so it is very necessary to review your application. Just giving all your application, just submit button does not work. You have to review it once again and give submit. Okay, so this is about, because you may miss any of the opportunity, because when you are not very careful about it. Okay, so I think it's very clear regarding the job opportunities and the details of that in Samsung. So let's move on to the other, which is the one on Jio. JioSaavn is hiring for the intern, which is an audience experience. It's like a customer support service. So it's a location is Mumbai, Karangli, and it's an internship, and it's an entry level too. So audience experience is your designation details. So coming to the skill sets, responsibilities you'll be handling. So this role is a high performance, is never a dull day. Here's what we'd like to you to bring to the table. Frontline engagement with customers who reach out to us, our support channels, email, Twitter, Facebook, or app, Play Store, whatever it may be. Excellent problem solving skills. You can spot trends in conversations from a kilometer away, deliver best in class, simple and friendly services in timely manner. Liars were the superheroes from products, editorial, content, and other team as needed to seek resolutions. And the last but most important criteria, you are a team player. You gel very well with our team and are eager to learn from your peers. Okay, so this is about the responsibilities you'll be handling. It's actually a job to be done, enjoying it. There is no hectic jobs like you have to deadlines and all. So I think it's very cool job to opt for. Now coming to the requirements, who can apply and all the details. Bachelor's degree or equivalent, excellent communication skills, witty, creative, and empathetic. You're also not afraid of basic technical talk, good of prioritization. You will be flooded with multiple interactions across multiple channels, 6 months to 1 year of experience in a customer centric industry, preferably in a customer facing role. Aptitude to learn everything about Savant's product, experience with digital products is a bonus. Familiarity with customer service tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk is a bonus. Enough said about what we expect from you. Okay, so they have given the details like you can apply if you're from any batch or any graduation, anything. Okay, so not very specific. Now they have mentioned regarding the 6 months to 1 years of experience. That is, you must have been undergone some like internship in this customer services or 1 year of experience, whatever it is, and 0 years of experience can even opt for this position because they have clearly mentioned regarding how you will be handling the work at Geo7 to this position and what are their skill requirements that they are looking for. So if you are satisfied with, I mean, if you can satisfy all that criteria, then this experience criteria is not a problem at all. Okay, so this is a thing with most of the companies everywhere, because if you're good, if you're skilled, that they only need your work to be done. So if you're good at doing that work, then your experience, your graduation type doesn't matter. So as to repeatedly tell, this is the loophole to get on to the job which is not your graduation type. So this is here. Now Kumi, moving on to what they are giving to us. Okay, that is, we are a bunch of happy-go-lucky people who thrive on making others smile. We are stationary freaks. You may turn into one being around us. There is no such thing as a boring day. There are always a new challenge, something to learn, and customer insights to share. Lots of sour laugh, of course, lots of music around you. So this is about the requirement skill set by Geo7. And to apply for this, you can submit this application: first name, last name, email address, phone address, resume. So coming to the resume section, you might have been prepared your resume to apply for the IT sector or to a corporate sector. Okay, so you have to make the necessary changes because this job opening is different from that of an IT sector, because they can't provide it. I mean, quick learner, software engineering, these are my technical skills. I mean, you have to specify your technical skill, but when coming to the strengths and weakness that you have mentioned in your resume, you have to edit it a little bit while, because this is something different job that from an IT sector. So this is not about this job alone. Whenever you're applying for any jobs, it's a pro tip actually. When you're applying to every job that you are going with, according to the company expectations and what the company, you have to know about the company first. You have to learn about the company and what they're actually looking for. What, like, they're eagerly welcoming the students or the candidates who are good at learning new technical skills or the new technologies, or they're good at understanding interacting with people. You have to know what the company means and your position, what they means. That's why they are providing the job responsibilities of position summary. So you must be very specific enough, and you have to include that in your resume. So every time you submit your resume to specific companies, then you have to edit your resume. Okay, that is according to the job type of that. Okay, then only you'll be getting a high chance to go for it. Preparing one resume and applying to all the domains will never help, because you have to make necessary changes according to the position that you're applying for. Okay, so I think it's very clear. You can go for that and submit your application. So this is the opening in Geo7. And coming to the CTC provided, Geo7 approximately provides 3.2 LPA plus. Okay, so this is about it, an intern, and after that you will be getting experience after the internship, and you'll be getting promotions, and everything depends upon that. Because a person with 0 years of experience will not be getting the same salary of person with 1 year of experience. So we cannot say this will be the CTC, but we can approximate to that. Okay, if you're a fresher, then definitely the CTC. And if you have 6 months or 1 year or 8 months years of experience, then there will be variations in that. Okay, so this is about the intern in Geo7. Now I'm moving on to the other job, which is opening in Eurofins associate software engineer. So the location is Bengaluru. It's a full-time job. Now coming to the yes, like the specific assignments, requirement skills and experience. That is technological skills, strong and proven background in information technology, strong in any programming languages like C, C++, C hash, Java, etc. Should be good in database. So this is the basic, very, very, very basic or the fundamentals of computer science, like a proven language information technology. You must be knowing the updated technology, what's happening around, and programming languages C, C++, C hash, Java, etc. And could be good enough in database. And personal skills, what we're looking forward is excellent analytical and problem solving skills, structured work habits, and ability to conform to best practices for software development. Scrum values, its commitment, focus, openness, respect, and courage. Excellent verbal or written communication skills, competent in English, ability to work in a complex international environment. Successful teamwork experience is required. Time management skills are must, as well as the ability to be flexible and creative. Okay, I think it's very clear. It's something very basic. You must have the traits. This is a very basic soft skill that any graduates or anyone who's getting started with a career should have. So this is not a great technological thing to be handled. So this is very basic. So coming to the qualifications criteria, B, that is bachelor's in engineering or technology, MCA or equivalent degree or experience. Okay, so this is what they're meaning. Like you have, if you're not from engineering or MCA graduate, but still you have experience in this many field, or you're wishing for, I mean, if you've got into some ASC position in some other companies and you would like to switch to this company and you have 6 or 8 months of experience, that is what they mean by the experience. Either you must be a BE or MCA graduates, or you must have been undergone experience in these many fields, no matter it's an internship experience, no matter it's an entry level experience. Okay, so this is about the associate software engineer, the Bangalore for the Eurofins. Okay, now you have to make your registration so that you can go to this I'm interested link and you have to submit your application for this particular. So you can see here, this is the application form. You can apply with these many things. Once more, I'm repeating, LinkedIn profile is very good for you if you're looking for a career. Now, browser resume, you can upload your resume here. Now, personal information, you can provide all your personal experimentations, experience, education on the web. On the web, it's like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and if you have any website like programming platforms link, which you have been experiencing the coding and which you have put your codings, everything that, and resume and message to hiring manager. So one more pro tip that I would like to provide is the message to hiring manager, because so much companies or so much applications have these sections like CV or message to hiring manager. It is very important to leave a message. You should not leave this blank. It is not a mandatory field, but it's a tip. Okay, it is a tip actually. You have to write something here, like you're eagerly waiting for this position, so they have to know about it. But it's not like, so please give me this job, this is very important, not like that, like a request, but I am applying for this candidature and I would like to get, and I am okay with, I mean, all that you have to provide. And I've given attached my resume here, where you'll be getting more reference for myself, and this is about the details, and I'm looking forward for the response, and everything you can provide it in a brief manner, in a professional manner. So there are so much examples available across the internet to go for the message to hiring manager. Choose the epic one from that and go for it. Okay, it is not a mandatory field, but still you have to go for that. Okay, because it's an added advantage. They'll be getting a good impression and high chance to get selected. Okay, that's all about the associate software engineer in Eurofins. And coming to the CTC too, they used to provide 5 plus LPA till ranging from different variants. So as I've said, it regarding it is for freshers and entry level experience too. So according to the experience, will be varying, but it's a software engineer position, so definitely you'll be getting a great package. Okay, so that's all about the 3 openings and some pro tips that I would like to share with you for this in this video. So if you have any further doubts, please let us ask in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the videos that we present, please make it in the comment section. So we'll be definitely reaching out to that. So until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities available around for you, thank you and have a great day. Everyone stay safe and stay tuned to Online Study for You.